Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Once again. Today we continue the javelin assembling, and the last video we have made all this. In this video I think that we complete the mechanical part. I don't think I am able to do also the body, and for the body we will make another video. By now, comment, like and subscribe please, and let's go to the work. Step 31. Few things. This is the gasket for this. We start from this. Okay, then this is the spur gear. I think we have to mount this by this way, so it is like this. Done. Step 32, the engine, gears, pinion, and here we have also this little piece of paper, and you will see what is it for. First of all, we mount the engine. The screw into the pinion has to come a little bit out in the hole, so we found the square face of the motor shaft. The paper between these teeth, but before we adjust this position, like this, and okay. Now grease. I use a marine grease. Okay, an O-ring to stop the spur gear, and the cover, that it is by this side, I suppose, and the clip. And now we have to connect the wires. Here there is not a precise order, so I go this with the first by this side, then the central one, that it is this one, then the external one. I want to pass all the cables here inside and maintain them by this way. It's time to have a check for the polarity. Backward. We change something here. Forward. Nice sound. Okay. Nice job. Step 33. Wheels. Left, right. And here we have Kyosho. Left. Right. Eh? What do you say about this? Right, left. First, the sponge into the tire. Then the tire, one side is flat and the other is with writings. I think that writings has to stay outside. Here they say to use super glue. By now I don't use it. If this turns inside I will use it, but by now I prefer to do this. I do all the other. These are vented wheels. Here there's a hole, and if you go into the water, remember to close this with a patch of adhesive tissue or scotch or something that it's water resistant. Step 34. We have to mount wheels and these bars. For wheels, open back G. Two straps, wonderful straps, yes, for the battery. And here we have the, remember, all the plastic bags together in order not to throw them away and fill up our poor environment. These I told you that I wanted to paint this part of the body, but I don't think it's a good idea. They are quite nice, so I will follow the instructions and we mount like they are. So first I think it is better to mount this. The actual size of the screws is indicated here on the instructions. I can compare screw. And the upper one is round head short. I think this one. Done. Marvelous. Fantastic. Step 35. Battery straps. And now we have to imagine how it works. Done. And now we have to think at these wires. Like this, with the black wire under and the red one up. It stays here, perhaps passing under the strap, the battery holder. Will be, it's not terrible. Yes, and now we can have a little trial. So switch on the radio, switch on the car, we need servo reverse. And with this, for today, we have made something. What do you think about this wonderful model? It's quite heavy, it's quite old, but it's wonderful. Comment, like and subscribe. Bye bye to you all.